welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and moist chocolate chip bundt cake that I know you guys are going to love. Perfect for this cold weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Are the ingredients to prepare this amazing chocolate chip bundt cake. Nice and moist and delicious. I have granulated sugar, regular milk, vegetable oil, all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, eggs, of course the mini chocolate chips, vanilla pudding, and of course the non-stick creamy baking cream that you already have on my channel. So let's get started and let's prepare this amazing chocolate chip bundt cake and enjoy it with our beautiful family. I want to start first with the baking dish. I'm going to go ahead. I want to show you that this is the non-stick baking cream made at home with only 3 ingredients. Make it at home. All your breads are gonna come out amazing and they do not stick to the mold. I'm gonna go ahead and start just adding this amazing creamy non-stick cream all around my bundt mold, just like that. Look at this. When you're done, put it back into the refrigerator until you're going to use it again. But this is everything you need. Your bread is going to come out very easily and amazing. It's not going to stick at all. And here I am going to go ahead and sift all my dry ingredients. I have my all-purpose flour, which I'm going to sift very good because sometimes there are little balls in there, and that's exactly what you don't want. So I'm going to be sifting all my dry ingredients. This part is very important. You know why? Because if you don't sift it, your bread is not going to be moist. It's not going to be tender. It's going to be so compact that you're going to be thinking, why is my bread like this? Because you didn't sift the dry ingredients. I even like sifting the sugar because sometimes the sugar has little balls, and that's exactly what you don't want. I'm adding the baking powder, I'm adding the pinch of salt, and I'm going to add the vanilla pudding. All the dry ingredients I am going to add here into the all-purpose flour. Look at this. And these little balls are exactly what you don't want in your baking, in your bread. And now I'm just going to incorporate it, and I am going to continue. I'm adding 1 cup of the chocolate chip, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the mixture. I'm just gonna mix it around, and the reason that I'm doing this is that when you add your chocolate chips, you want the chocolate chips to be all over the bread. You don't want them to sink to the bottom of the baking dish. Here, I am going to add my 4 eggs, and I'm adding it into the plate where I had my all-purpose flour. So from here, I'm just gonna go ahead, mix it very well. Once it's nice and incorporated, I'm going to add the vegetable oil and the milk. Look at this. I'm going to go ahead, add it in here, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated. And now I am ready to pour it into the dry ingredients and start incorporating everything in here. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long when everything starts getting nice and creamy. Once this is done, you're going to add all the chocolate chips, and then you're just going to remove 1 tablespoon and put on the bottom of your baking dish. just like that, just a little bit. And now I'm just gonna be folding all the chocolate chips into the batter. Don't over mix it. Once you see that everything is incorporated, then this is done. By this time, I already preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's gonna go in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Every oven is different, but I'm gonna go ahead and start adding all this amazing batter into my bundt cake. The holidays are around the corner, and let's enjoy this amazing and delicious chocolate chip bundt cake made at home with lots of love. Okay, this is done, and look at this. You can see the chocolate chips everywhere. They didn't sink to the bottom. And now let's put it in the oven, and then I'll see you in about 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, they are done, and now I'm ready to go ahead and reveal how this looks. Remember the creamy non-stick baking cream? Well, we're gonna find out if this really worked. This is everything I use when I do my baking. This amazing homemade non-stick baking cream. Look at this. It came out perfect. It's still nice and hot. But I want to show you how easy it is to get it out of the baking dish. You don't see any patches of the flour. It's nice and clean, and it looks amazing, and of course it smells delicious. Let me show you how this looks and how the baking dish looks. It came out perfect. Nothing is left behind, and of course there was no struggle. And now I am ready to go ahead and melt these tiny chocolate chips for the decoration. I put it in the microwave for just a couple seconds. Once it's melted, I'm just gonna pour it on the top. You don't need to add this chocolate on the top, but I'm doing it just for the decoration. Just a little bit, is not too much. And then I'm just gonna rub it in, because like I said, it's not too much chocolate on the top. And this is actually semi-sweet chocolate chips, so they're not too sugary. Look at this. This looks amazing. I can't wait to dig in and enjoy it with the delicious and cold milk. The holiday is just around the corner. Let's enjoy this amazing and delicious chocolate chip bundt cake. Remember, when you cook at home, you have control of how much sugar you add into your desserts. And now I am ready for the presentation. I'm gonna go ahead and slice it, and let's see how it looks from the inside. Take this little piece off. Oh my gosh, this is just amazing. Look at this. I can't wait to enjoy it. It came out perfect, and now I am ready for the presentation. So I'll see you in just a little bit. I can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing chocolate chip bundt cake. This is the part I really love and enjoy. tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. It's really soft and tender from the inside. Excuse me. So moist. It's just perfection made at home. With a cup of milk. Just amazing. You need to make this bundt cake. It comes out soft, tender, but yet it's not overwhelmed with too much chocolate. It's just perfect amount of the chocolate chips inside. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make it at home and enjoy it with your family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.